Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the tech you need before you buy it. Today, we're talking about a product that's been a go-to favorite for PC builders and enthusiasts for years. This is the best Artic MX4 thermal paste. Not just any version, the trusted, high-performance 4-gram variant that continues to deliver solid results in thermal conductivity and ease of use. Let's start with what you get out of the box. The Artic MX4 comes in a straightforward plastic blister pack. Inside, you'll find the 4-gram syringe, enough to apply multiple times on CPUs or GPUs. No extras, just what you need, pure, premium thermal compound. No spatulas, no clutter, just the essentials. Now, onto what really matters, performance. The MX4 is made from carbon microparticles. That's the key to its high thermal conductivity. It ensures heat is transferred quickly and efficiently from your processor or graphics card straight into your heatsink or cooler. In real-world terms, it means lower temperatures, better sustained performance, and longer component life. Whether you're gaming, rendering, or just keeping your workstation cool, MX4 holds its ground. It's metal-free and non-conductive, which gives peace of mind during installation. Even if you accidentally apply too much or spill a bit over the edge, you're not risking a short circuit. That makes it one of the safest thermal pastes on the market, especially for beginners. And speaking of application, the consistency of MX4 is just right, not too thick, not too runny. It spreads easily under pressure from your heatsink and requires no complicated techniques. Whether you're using the dot, cross, or spread method, you'll find it forgiving and easy to work with. This paste isn't just about flashy specs. It's about long-term durability. Artic claims an 8-year lifespan once applied, which means less hassle for you. You can install it and forget it, without worrying about it drying out or losing effectiveness after just a few months. There are newer pastes out there, some with more exotic ingredients or aggressive marketing. But the MX4 stands tall because it does the job reliably, safely, and affordably. It's the kind of product that earns your trust by simply working, again and again. So if you're planning your next PC build or just looking to refresh your thermal paste, the Artic MX4 4 grams is still one of the best choices you can make. Reliable, easy to apply, and highly effective, this paste continues to be a top performer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into the tools and tech that matter. See you in the next one.